Hello, it's your boy Kevin, or should I say Chef Kevin, with another video about how to make this KimBap, or as people say, sushi but dried seaweed, a ripoff of the original sushi. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Alright, the first step is to get your little contraption here of a triangle. A really obtuse triangle. And then make sure you center it right at the top. Just have it centered right there. Now, next step, you just simply put a little, you just dab a little rice. You dab a little rice. Okay, rice, cooperate please. Thank you. Okay.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got
Add a little rice, and yeah, that should be even coating. And then you take your little cement thing and you press it. You press it. You kill the rice. You
gaming.
Put it up a little farther up.
Oh, my bad. Okay. You put it a little farther up, as you can see, as my sister is consulting me throughout this, because Chef Kevin is not a very good chef. Alrighty, there you go. Now you have that done. You are entitled to put Spam, because Spam is salty and Spam has good qualities. iDubbbz originally had Spam in his unboxing videos. Let's not forget those.
Final package of the Magnificent Five is right here. Bunch of cans of Spam.
Alrighty, we have Spam now awkwardly put in there. Alrighty, and then let's press this thing in. Let's press the baby. Let's push the juices out. There we go. There we go. You hear that? That is ASMR, folks. That is ASMR. Alright, there we go. Alrighty. Now we gotta put the rice on the top, like saying like rice. Put it on the top. Rice. Alrighty, there you go. There is the rice. Now you smush it all together to make it into a palooza sandwich. I don't even know what a palooza sandwich is, to be honest. Sounds like a Philly cheesesteak gone wrong. But then yet again...
Yeah, try to fill in all the corners.
Yes, thank you, Sarah. So we are apparently supposed to fill in all the corners, so I'm going to put a little rice there just to make sure. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, nope. Okay, you know what? There we go. This is why, folks, you need to wash your hands.
Wash your hands to keep them nice and clean.
Make sure you wash your hands very well, because you're going to be touching a lot. Alrighty, there we go. Alright, smush it in there. Make sure you get in there. Just get it in there. Alrighty, now that you have that done, you need to get the cement presser that somehow is not used for making the Empire State Building. Hold it down, and then simply take the little triangle, obtuse triangle, and then pull it out. And hey, you got a triangle of a sandwich of what looks like a really good Philly cheesesteak with rice and Spam. Alright, after you have that done, sorry, I took an online snack. After you have that done, I believe you fold this in half. You fold this in half, basically saying. You make sure you have these. Don't let these things come to like under the little rice thing. Make sure you have everything centered, the double lines there. Alrighty, then you just put it up, and then you have a sticker. Someone can hand you a sticker, any sticker at all. A little fat. Oh, you know what? Just give me the sticker. Give me the sticker. Oh my god.
I need both my hands to hold the camera.
Yeah. Okay. That's a lame excuse. Alrighty, and then you stick these two together. Oh my god. I am.
Hey, hold this.
No.
Sure.
Take two.
Okay.
One way or another.
Go ahead.
Okay. Stick. Okay. You know what? Start over. Take three. Stick this. Okay. You have this under like that. Okay. And then you simply just just put it right there. Yeah. And then you put that right there. You have a helper help you to stick. Is the sticker really not coming? 698,486,988. Are you? You got it. Okay, there we go. All right, you stick it on there. No, I'm going to make this into a beautiful masterpiece.
No, Kevin.
Alright.
It needs to be sideways, boy. That's how you rip.
Yeah, my bad. All right.
Oh my goodness.
Sideways. Let's have the Hello Kitty neon sign on the front. Oh, it's gonna start breaking apart. Okay.
Tell me when you need help.
No. I got this. All right. And there you go. And that's what it. Okay, let's try this one more time. All right, take two. Alrighty, here we go. Simply just put the handles in there, and then get the sticker out. If it will cooperate, it probably will not cooperate at all, because that's what stickers do. Alrighty, make sure everything is signed up. Have a helper put the sticker on there. There we go. That's a beauty. And therefore,
I'm gonna press it down.
And alright, that works. You know what? That works. You know what? I'm gonna move it a little bit. Okay, just move it a little down there. Alrighty, and you have the Kevin signature of love. You have the triangle, or whatever this thing is. You have the triangle, 삼각김밥, or otherwise dried seaweed spam rice sandwich with a Philly steak. Alrighty, now there's a specific proper way in order to open this. Very simple. You just take the tear. You just go down there. Oh, and it says peel right here. Pull all the way through. Pull all the way through. Pull all the way. Keep going. Yeah, rip that sticker in half. Alrighty. Okay. Technical difficulties with stickers. Stickers never cooperate. Alrighty. And then you simply just put these two halves together, and then you just rip it apart. You literally rip it up. You rip it apart. There we go. You rip this apart. Okay, there we go. Now, sometimes technical difficulties may arise, so you might have to realign it yourself. There we go. And then you just a little fold, and you delight in the eating of rice.
How's it, Kevin?
Wonderful.
All right.